welcome back to our Sparkle Mom Travels channel. This weekend here on our travel channel, we are here at the Scottsdale Plaza Resort showcasing a fabulous Mcdowell Casita, the tiny home, your girl's favorite property, and we can't wait to share all the family amenities, the summer deals, and what this place has to offer. Again, it's Arizona's best family adventure and a family-friendly property. So come on, let's go check out this casita. Okay, so here is the door that I just entered. Right here is the closet, and we're also welcome with the wet bar here. We have 4 stools for the wet bar. And we also, right when we were coming here, we were gifted some of these complimentary items, from the popcorn to the corn chips to this cute adorable little salsa, and then they also gave us some agua fresca for the children along with some chewable candies, so white chocolate as well. So this is a great area to make your cocktails before you head to your private pool. They have a sink, a single sink here, which is nice because you guys can clean up the glass area, and there's plenty of storage for your items. We brought our own items like chips. We also brought muffins, so we'd like to bring these out and then put them in our kitchen space. There is a kitchen space back here, and I'll show you that in just a second, so we'll put that in there. But yeah, you guys, this here is the wet bar, and of course it's a wide open space floor plan. On this side we have the dining area, and this is a little nook where I put our purses. I'll put our car keys in here. And again, this is our 2nd year in this casita property, but we've partnered up with the Scottsdale Plaza Resort and Villas for the past 5 years, sharing their summer villas staycations and sharing some of their family amenities. And of course, we personally love this property, so if we have to share it with you guys. I love this mirror in the morning. I like to look at my outfit. I do like the chandelier here in the dining area. So this table is pretty heavy, but it's also a nice family dining table with 4 of the chairs. And again, this one here is a long chair. So this is pretty heavy. I like the quality of the furniture. Living room area, we showed you the wet bar area, we also showed you the dining area. Right now we're gonna go ahead and take you back here to the casita, and let's go ahead and take you into the powder room right here on the 1st floor. It's very basic. They just have a sink, the lighting, and of course the bathroom. Nothing very special, but they do have a different powder room for your guests, so they don't have to go into that bathroom or the bathroom upstairs. They could use the powder room right here. And the opposite side here, on this side, we have the lights to the private kitchenette here. And I really like this area because you can put all your drinks, all your snacks, instead of having it out here cluttered. We can store it right in here. They also have a cute microwave, so we bring plenty of popcorn for the kids. They also have a cool refrigerator. Okay, and the refrigerator is pretty cool. They have an ice. There's ice in here. I don't know if that ice is any good, but I'll go ahead and clean that out. So that's cool. And then of course they have some drawers for you if you need some drawers. But also down here they do have some plates if you do need plates. And here they have a Kroger machine, a single Kroger machine with their single coffee makers, and then there's some cups. but I just found out that if you do need more cups, there's more cups and coffee makers here and some plates if you do need them. So this here is very convenient for you and your family. We brought some margaritas that we purchased at Costco. So I'd like to use these. These are cute. They're glass, so it makes it more, you know, elevated instead of having plastic. But they also have this cool sink that you can use back here to wash your dishes, to wash the kids' bottles, and then clean them up. So this is really cute. And again, this here is the kitchen back here. And right over across the kitchen is the double doors back here. This is a door that will head out to the back patio. Back here basically is just the table here with the 4 chairs and your little private patio area. And of course you can use that door there to go and exit your casita. But again, this is perfect for families who have pets, or you know, for children who actually want to play around outside during the fall season. Right now it's 114 degrees, so I don't think we want to go outside. So across that here is this downstairs second bedroom. Inside the second bedroom we have featured 2 queen beds. They also have a cool TV. This is the kids' room. I prefer it as the kids' room. So Mariah is watching SpongeBob SquarePants. They have a cool size mirror here, so I think this is very pretty. The furniture again is huge. It's luxury. It's thick. It feels expensive. There's some drawers here. And of course, again, the vibes is good. The lighting is perfect. They have this drawer here for the long stays if you wish to stay here for a vacation stay. And then back here they have their closet. So let's just go ahead and check this out. So this is a full closet with the iron board, the rack, and of course here at the Scottsdale Plaza you get your own fabulous robes. I love robes. I'm very obsessed when I get robes because you know you're living in luxury when you come with robes. And this one here, only at the Plaza. So we have also dual sinks, okay, double sinks. And let's see the amenities here. What is this? Body moisturizer. We have a shower cap. This is like the makeup remover. Ooh, a shoe mint. I don't know what the shoe mint is, but I'm a big fan of these. I love to have travel stuff. It's the coolest. So we have double sinks. The lighting seems pretty awesome here. We can't complain. Of course, a big mirror. Okay, and then over here we probably have the shower. Wow, this is cool. We have the shower, cool shower head, and then looks like somebody forgot their products. If not, then this is the products that they have here. So we have shampoo, conditioner, body wash. We're gonna have to try those. Okay, and then here's the bathroom, toilet, towels. It's pretty basic, straightforward, but this is it, you guys. I love it. Restroom, your own private bathroom for this bottom first floor is very nice. So cool. Okay, let's go ahead and go upstairs. All right, so I just caught Junior on the stairs, which is very dangerous. Right now we're gonna go up to the second floor. Here's the second floor stairs. And what I like about the stairs is they have this long ceiling that is very romantic because the lights are dim. This video doesn't do any justice, but just going up these long stairs. And here the second floor is considered the master bedroom. So there's double doors here. So let's go inside. Guess that's how we have to do it, huh? Okay, so inside here, I just have to show you, and this Mcdowell Casita features this cute radio. This is also a microphone for the entire casita, so if you want to yell at the kids downstairs in the living room or in the bedroom, you could simply just ring them up. So let's go ahead and check that out. We're currently upstairs here in the master bed. So this is a very expansive, spacious bedroom. We'll go ahead and start off with this big TV here. Underneath the TV is this huge, gigantic dresser. And the dresser, we like to live in it, so we're gonna put our stuff in here. I'll put like my clothes, baby's diapers, and we'll literally unpack and live here. On the other side here is this big, gigantic king-size bed. The furniture is extra large, extra thick, and the brown cherry oak vibes is very luxurious. So we also have our mom and dad robes, compliments of the Scottsdale Plaza Resort. So I personally love this resort because it just makes me feel special. They know how to treat your girl. They also have lamps on each side. This lamp is pretty nice. And then they have the phone here. 2 side nightstands. And then here on the other side of this wall, we have our private area for the office space. So this is where I usually set up my calendar. I'll put out my lighting set. They have a phone here, a little night lamp there, and of course this cute little leather chair. So it's like literally legit. And then right over here on this side, we have our open space restroom area. And there's 2 sinks available for mom and dad. They also have a vanity chair so the ladies can sit here. We can do our makeup. So I'm gonna take out all my makeup and I'm gonna put it here. I'll get ready here in the morning. There's mom and dad's sink. And here on this side, they have a closet. So the closet also consists of the pillow, the blanket, the dryer, not the dryer, but the iron, an iron board, and a luggage rack as well. And of course they have plenty of hangers here. So the lighting is really bright. I really like it. And of course they have all the amenities as well, the same as downstairs. The body moisturizer, shower cap, makeup remover, and a shoe mint. So that's pretty cool. So back here, they also have the bathroom. Here's the restroom. And then, of course, like I said, they have these throughout the casita. So you can listen to the radio. You can talk to Michael, who's downstairs. So I think that's pretty cool. And then back here is Mama's favorite spot. We have this oversized jet tub, jet tub. I was about to say pool, but it's not a pool. It's an oversized jet tub. So I like to use this during the evening times or early in the morning time, just to, to catch some me time. So I really like to use this. We're gonna use this over the weekend. And of course, we have our walk-in shower here on the other side. And I love the showers when they have a big open spread like this. And this is what they provide: conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. So we'll go ahead and use these brands and these products. I've never seen this product before, but we'll go ahead and give it a try. Let me know if you've tried this product and how you like it. Let me know in the comments below. So this is our tour for the master bed. I think it's so cool. Like literally we can legit all fit in this tub. So
you get in it then.
We probably can, look. So I can't, it's pretty thick, and I have some big shoes on, so you're gonna have to wait. But it's cool. And there it is, you guys. That's our deep dive tour for the Mcdowell Casita. I hope you enjoyed our tour. I know it's a little dim, but the casita has limited lighting and it just sets the mood for your next family vacation. In the captions below, we do have the best summer deal rates available for you and your family, so we'd love for you guys to join and venture this property for yourselves. So again, we love you guys. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and of course, share your favorite property and what you would like to see next. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.